Hi guys, welcome to the Weihui's video channel. Now, I would like to introduce to you Weihui's new strip light. Half-cover neon strip light. The strip light can be cut arbitrarily to solve the pain point of customizing the length. After cutting, the strip light can still work normally when connected to the power interface. Even if the resistor is damaged, the strip light can still work fine. The lampshade is made of high-quality silicone material with high light transmittance. It is easy to install. Just leave a 10mm x 10mm installation groove at the installation location. Stick the strip light into the groove, cover it with a silicone lampshade, and connect the power supply. The light is soft and protects your eyes. Our light strips can also be used with quick connect terminals. After cutting, the light strip does not need to be welded. Just connect the quick connector terminal and the power supply, and it can still work fine. It is suitable for local lighting places, such as wine cabinets, wardrobes, and closet. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I can cooperate with you guys in the near future.